In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Tradingview username and account ID. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look so you can share your handle when needed, manage subscriptions, or complete support forms without hunting around. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. I recommend using a desktop browser for the clearest layout, though the process is similar on mobile. Make sure you're signed into your account, otherwise you won't see the personal menus we're about to use. If you're already logged in, you should notice your profile controls toward the top right of the page. Next, look to the upper right corner for your profile icon. This might be your profile photo, your initials in a circle, or a simple person silhouette. Click that icon to open the account menu. If you have multiple tabs open or you use a pop-up blocker, give the page a second to load the menu fully so all options appear. From that drop-down, choose Settings and Billing. Depending on your region or recent UI updates, it may read Settings and Billing or simply Settings, but it takes you to the same account area. This is the central place where Tradingview shows your personal account details, plan information, and the identifiers you may need for support or integrations. On the account page, you'll see your username displayed clearly near your profile section. Think of this as your public handle, the name other users can see and tag. If you also use a display name, remember that a display name is just a pretty label, while the username is the unique identifier attached to your account. If you're copying it for a form or sharing it with a colleague, copy it exactly as shown, including any capitalization or special characters. On this same page, you may also find your account ID. It can appear near your account details or billing information and might be labeled Account ID, User ID, or Customer ID. It's an internal identifier used by Tradingview systems and support. If it's visible, note it down carefully and keep it private. Unlike your username, this number isn't meant to be public. A few quick tips as you look around. If you don't immediately see these fields, try widening your browser window or scrolling. Some sections collapse on smaller screens. Double check you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. And never share sensitive details like passwords or payment information. Only provide your username or account ID when it's truly needed. That's it. Open tradingview.com, click your profile icon, go to Settings and Billing, and you'll see your username and, if shown, your account ID right there.